my channel. I know it's been a while. This is going to be my vision board 2021 video. And I'm just going to show you guys my process, tell you why I'm doing it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Hopefully it inspires you to make your own vision board. And yeah, let's get into it. So first we start off with my 2019 vision board. Don't laugh, it was my first one, but let me tell you, I got my own house, I paid off my bills, I did really well that year on my online store. I did not make more money, dye my hair pink, or be my own boss, but I did enroll into CBU college, which is the college or university that I wanted to go to. I did not work out more. I did read more. There's a missing piece there that was about friends. I did not travel more. I did get engaged, and the family, I think everybody got closer to their family in 2020, right? So why make a vision board? Well, if my 2019 vision board didn't convince you, I want to do it because I did see some of those goals come to pass, and I want that for the future again. So step one into making your vision board is to write down your goals. These are the categories that I wanted to have in mind. And I did look these up online to get some ideas as far as what people are putting on their vision board and be a little more organized this time. Step two is to gather your materials. You're going to need obviously some type of adhesive, or I've seen people use thumbtacks or pins. I decided to do glue instead. And I just got different forms of it. You're also gonna need photographs. I went on Pinterest, found all the pictures I liked, and printed them at Walgreens, and it was like 30 bucks for almost 200 photos, so it was great. And you can also use magazines, stickers, draw your own thing, whatever you want to do. It's your vision board. I printed some pictures that were just backgrounds, sayings, just all sorts of things that attracted me and that I was happy about, and I printed those on Pinterest, and there's my filled out form. You can also use stickers, like I said a little earlier, different materials, fabrics, paper, whatever you'd like that you think you're gonna like for your vision board. And step three is to organize your working space. I'm going to be working on my crafting table as well as the floor, and I'm going to be jumping back and forth here. I just laid everything out on the floor around me because that's where I started, and then I moved right back up to the crafting desk. And of course, the final step is to just get started. So let's get started. So the way I approached this vision board was playing with placement, then starting by grouping my photos according to what I had written down. So first was hobbies, and that's where I have YouTube, journaling, I want to learn photography, and I started grouping it like that, and then playing with placement, seeing which pictures I liked more, how I thought they worked, twisting and turning them, cutting things out, just whatever came to mind before I actually committed to taping or gluing anything down. And I just moved through each section of my vision board list that way. So next is health. So I want to lose weight, I need to drink water, I need to eat healthy. Obviously I want to work out, work on my booty. I want to work on my anxiety, and I know that a lot of people struggle with anxiety. So I found like that little warrior girl. I thought she looked cool as far as conquering anxiety, and a bunch of scriptures or sayings that I thought went well with that. And then I moved on to wealth/career, and this is how I envision myself as a powerful businesswoman, ideally running my own business, but I also wouldn't mind working for a corporation. But if I'm going to live my best life, it's going to be running my own business and being the CEO and still being a mom and getting all that stuff done. And I have a photograph of myself where I thought I looked really badass, and so I cut that picture out and put her in the middle. There I am, and I just started playing around. I did feel like it got a little busy, so I added this glittery background so that I would pop a little more and stand out against all the busyness going on. And just kept playing around with all the different pictures and sayings and stuff. And then I just repeated the process for everything. So this is my travel one. I just cut out all the different places in the world I want to go and decided I wanted to incorporate that somehow. And then I did family, different things I want to do with the family, such as take them to Disney, different things like that. Couple, I want us to be a power couple. That little guy looks like my man so much, it's funny. Just all the different pictures I found about what I want for that. And yeah, I just repeat the process for every single section and kind of see what works with your board and what doesn't, what flows with your color scheme, because sometimes some of the colors are a little off. And yeah, just that's why I printed so many different things, so I had all the different options to go through. And again, I'm going to be playing with placement. I'm not really committing to too many things. I did group some things together, like families grouped together, that business, career, and wealth is grouped together, relationships grouped together, just so it doesn't get too lost when I'm looking at it and it all kind of is in one place. But some things did end up changing and fluid. That's what I'm saying. Don't commit to anything. Don't tape anything down yet. And if you're like me and you kind of change things and kind of just visualize everything, and as you can see, things keep changing. If you see there in the top corner, I ripped out the family game night from all the other family stuff and just kind of moved things around. And that's what you're gonna do until you feel good with something. And I started feeling good here, so I started taping more things down and taking things off and moving things around. And yeah. Right about here is when I started to add more just background photos or visually aesthetic photos that I just thought went well with what I was doing, not so much anything I want or desire, just to kind of fill in the gaps and make it all nice. And this is kind of where it's looking at now. I think this is right before the final touches and embellishments, but you see all those blank spaces, the like black spaces all around. I wanted to fill that in with things, and that's where more of the backgrounds and stuff's coming. Or like I filled this Mickey Mouse in there because I felt like the castle wasn't really selling Disney. And then I didn't have any space for my travel because it was so large, and I thought, well, I'll just add Australia, but then I didn't really like that, so I got creative. And this is kind of what I came up with for my travel. I just kind of chopped little sections of little pictures off and put it on a fabric, and yeah, it worked. And now I also started adding more embellishments, little stickers, flowers. I have these little beads. I brought off my big old my box of embellishments out. I have all kinds of little knickknacks because I love doing arts and crafts and scrapbooking and stuff. So this was totally in my zone, and I got to pick out all kinds of cute little knickknacks to put on here. And this is my final product, my 2021 vision board slash goals for the year or future in general. But every year I think I'm gonna update and do new ones just because it's fun. And again, it worked in 2019. My 2020 was great in the midst of all the madness and the pandemic that was happening. So I just want to keep it going and to keep dreaming, you know. And so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys were inspired and that you like it and that you guys make your own. And yeah. If by some miracle you're still here and you're still watching, let's walk through my vision board. I still want my pink hair. I want to be my own boss. This is just a vibe of how I want to dress and be chill and relaxed all the time. I need to do my squats and get that booty, girl. I want to drink more water as well. I want to be my own boss and CEO and make at least 100K a year. That girl there is also a vibe, just real relaxed, business casual, you know, but then also be a total boss when I have to. That's just like a little meeting. I now do work I love and I am well paid for it. That is so essential. And it takes small steps every day. I need to get my massages again. Oh my God, I miss those so much. This is another vibe. I wear Converse all the time. And this girl, I totally dress like that. And I just want to keep dressing like that because it's so comfy. I've always wanted a Jaguar and I need to have financial freedom in order to get that. I want to hang out with my girlfriends. I want to have family game night. Those are cute little sayings over there. I want to travel, save for vacation, hang out with my girls is there again. Eat healthy, lose weight, get fit, conquer anxiety through the grace of God. And you know, I'm too creative for a 9-to-5. I need to focus on YouTube and be consistent and any other creative outlet, you know, that can hopefully make me money. And I need to graduate college, of course. I want to learn how to do photography. I need to learn how to cook and just be a better overall housewife, which is what those two little vintage girls are there. Pray for my spouse or my fiance, better yet said, be a power couple with him. We like tattoos, so I would like more nice tattoos. We are engaged, so finish and get married, finish that step off, and keep going on dates and learn how to cook. That's another one that just represents that. And this is just a vibe, just hanging out, you know, chilling with my Converse on. And then take my family to Disney, mostly the babies because they haven't gone yet. Keep drawing and doing my journals. And yeah, that is my 2021 goals.